Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. You are watching Motivated Investing and now let's get in this video. The world knows a thing or two about SHIB Army, the community behind the self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu. But does it know how powerful SHIB Army can be? SHIB, the token that's clearly not taken seriously by most institutional investors, is still far from dead after another dumping event last week. Blockchain data reveals a tale of how small, individual investors can go against big institutions when they are united. Since Monday, the SHIB community has been celebrating the survival of last Thursday's bloody dump across social media platforms. Shiba Inu rebounds 40% despite major selling by SHIB whales. A Shiba Inu Telegram group posted on Tuesday under the title "Whales are not in control of Shiba." The message has since been circulating in many Telegram groups. "We are Shiba the Doge killer," the message ended. The whale dump mentioned in the message, according to blockchain data firm Sentiment, took place on Thursday. That's when about 31.07 billion SHIB were shed from addresses that held 1 million to 10 million SHIB, wiping out 3.02% of all addresses with SHIB holding within the range. Sentiment also captured a significant uptick in both active deposits and exchange inflow of SHIB at the time. To be fair, with SHIB's price still far below $1, the aforementioned message from Tuesday decrying the influence of SHIB whales isn't fully supported. The top 10 SHIB addresses hold more than 78% of the total SHIB supply and barely moved any SHIB during the time period in question, according to Sentiment data. But nevertheless, the impact of such collective dumping among small SHIB traders is obvious. Last Thursday, the biggest dump so far, SHIB's price dropped by more than 17% on the day, according to data from TradingView and Binance. Shiba Inu, $SHIB, is currently on the path to recovery after a major price correction last Thursday. The altcoin, which surged nearly 350% last week, saw its momentum broken by Thursday after it failed to get past $0.000035. $SHIB price retraced to sub $0.00020 levels after falling through the key support of $0.000022. The altcoin has recovered since then and currently trading above $0.000027 with weekly gains still above 200%. The massive price correction was also attributed to the largest whale dump in 6 months. Sentiment data indicated that whale addresses with $1 million to $10 million SHIB in their wallet collectively dumped 31.07 billion Shiba Inu tokens on the market. However, the weekend brought bullish momentum to the altcoin, and the market is rebounding again. Shiba Inu needs to breach $0.000035 to retest ATH. The key resistance for Shiba Inu lies at the $0.000035 mark, and if it manages to get past it, then the ATH of $0.000038 is just a rally away. The altcoin woke from a long price slumber after nearly 5 months and now looks set to pull what Dogecoin did in the first quarter of this year as it rose to top 5 cryptocurrency by market cap. $Doge is currently 67% down from its ATH, and yet it's over 5,000% up on the year-to-date market gains. Shiba Inu in its recent price rally helped by the leverage market has gained over 300% in the first 3 days of last week, which skyrocketed its market cap to over $13 billion, making it the world's 12th largest crypto, leaving behind the likes of Litecoin and Chainlink. A break above the current price barrier could help Shiba Inu not only retest its ATH but also enter in price discovery mode that could send its price soaring. Shiba experienced the largest single-day correction of over 42%, which pulled down the price back to the lower range of $0.000021. The retracement was traced to token dumps by addresses holding at least 10 million Shiba Inu tokens. Precisely, more than 31 billion SHIB were dumped that day, which is 3.02% of all modest-sized address holdings, according to an on-chain analytics platform, Sentiment. The impact was strong enough to cause selling pressure, which further drove down the price of Shiba Inu. In a recent publication, Cryptopolitan mentioned how many investors and crypto whales have been accumulating millions and billions of SHIB. Although this wave of accumulation is bullish for the price, it also leaves SHIB liable to massive correction should the large holder begin to sell. Shiba Inu is now rebounding. In our latest Shiba Inu prediction piece, we explained that the price of SHIB might continue trading on the upside over the next day if the price action can break above the current swing high at $0.00003. During the time of writing, SHIB was seen trading above that level, precisely at $0.000031115, which is a 20% increase in the 24 hours time frame. Since the drop last Thursday, the price has rebounded by 40%, which indicates the presence of market demand. Many people could have taken the decline as a buying opportunity, and meanwhile, the token's dump can be healthy for the market in the long run as it redistributes the supply of whales down to smallholders. The previous month was a tough one for many in the crypto sector. On average, since the beginning of June, the crypto market has fallen over -35%. Meme currencies like Shiba Inu have certainly not been immune to this decline. Shiba Inu prices dropped about -50% but have risen significantly since then. Many indicators indicate that Shiba coin can continue to recover to the May levels. Shiba Inu swiftly recovered 20% in the following days, after a second decline to $0.0000580 on the 22nd of June. This rapid bounce produced a tumultuous double bottom. Since the low level, SHIB token has recovered over 70% to $0.0000959. The recovery in recent days has helped SHIB to break a 5-week downward trend. This is a major indicator that for Shiba Inu the trend may have shifted into a short-term positive. Moreover, Shiba Inu lands with major resistance of $0.0000959 to $0.0000987. Once this region breaks and holds, SHIB's recovery will exceed $0.00001. Until then, $0.0000871 and $0.0000819 will be supported by the SHIB pricing. Everything under these marks will make the short-term price of the SHIB bizarre again. The 15 EMA has held the price for over a week and a half, so a break below can cause a further sale below the 5-week trend. Shiba Inu price broke out of a declining resistance trend line on June 29th that has imprisoned SHIB for 41 days. Shiba Inu quickly traded this trend line into support. However, SHIB lost this area of defense on July 13th when a red candlestick closed under this level. On the 12-hour chart, Shiba Inu price has been trapped within descending parallel channel, consistently forming lower lows and lower highs. While the prevailing direction of this chart pattern suggests that SHIB price could continue to move lower, the momentum reversal indicator flashed a buy signal. Adding credence to the recovery thesis is the relative strength index, which showed that Shiba Inu was oversold on July 16. However, an aim at recovery could present limited upside potential for Shiba Inu price as it faces multiple obstacles ahead. SHIB must climb above the aforementioned declining resistance trend line to be able to reverse the period of underperformance. Should Shiba Inu witness accelerated interest, SHIB could aim at the next target at the 27.2% Fibonacci extension level, coinciding with the 20-12-hour simple moving average at $0.0000750. Investors should note that bigger aspirations beyond this level are unlikely in the near term, as Shiba Inu price is met with a resistance line given by the MRI, corresponding to the 50 and 112-hour SMAs at $0.0000776. On the contrary, if SHIB bears continue to take control over the market, Shiba Inu price could slip below the middle boundary of the chart pattern, which acts as the first line of defense. Should Shiba Inu price witness a spike in selling pressure, SHIB could find itself falling into the demand zone that ranges from $0.0000560 to $0.0000634 once again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.